Bye. I want to teach this very important information, so please have pen and paper. So few people have ever heard of the Spendthrift Trust, so we're going to start off with three very simple questions. Number one, do you want to leave a legacy for future generations? Number two, do you want to save taxes year after year, generations after generations? Number three, do you want to know the secret of the rich? If you answered yes to all three questions, please continue watching because I have a solution that I want as many U.S. business owners, U.S. entrepreneurs, U.S. 1099 income earners, and U.S. investors that want to learn this information. The Spendthrift Trust comes from England way back when King Henry VIII, that famous king who chopped off his wives' heads, started the Church of England. He went to go tax the lords and ladies of England. They went further back in history to the Magna Carta and said, no, King Henry VIII, you can't do this. It's contract law that came to the colonies while we were part of England still. The law firm I work on behalf of inherited a trust that turned 350 years old in 2023. Our current tax code went into effect February of 1913 and was only supposed to be around for a few years. It's 111 years later, and the only thing it's done is grow and grow and grow and grow. So the super rich families of 1913, the Rockefellers, the DuPonts, the Carnegies, and the Kennedys made sure they could save taxes. Well, if they can save taxes, we should be able to save taxes. My personal story, I'm a real estate investor. In 2019, I was working full-time as a Medicare broker, and I wholesaled 7 properties nationwide and paid off $184,000 in debt. Woo! Sally was a rock star in her real estate group. I knew about capital gains. I had $50,000 sitting in a bank account ready to pay my capital gains. What I didn't realize was my personal tax rate went from 22% to 24%. There are 7 tax breaks. It's from 10% to 37%. The more you make, the more you pay in taxes. Well, Sally didn't have to pay $50,000. Sally had owed the federal government $79,000 in short-term capital gains. Yikes. My solution, I had paid off my house. I took a HELOC off of my house to pay off my the $29,000 I did not have. That defeats the purpose of being paid off. I took 5 months to research the Spendthrift Trust. I started both my business and my beneficial trust in September of 2020, and I've never looked back. Now, tell you a little bit about the law firm. Paul Benson was a Harvard law professor. 76 years ago, he wrote the 5 different trusts. There's the business trust for U.S. business owners, entrepreneurs, and 1099 income earners. You will save at least 90% on your federal income taxes, and in 43 states, no longer pay state income taxes year after year, generation after generation. The beneficial trust is for all investors. If you're got the beneficial trust, you're going to save the following 5 taxes. No longer pay short-term or long-term capital gains on profits. Interest income, you'll no longer pay forex investor taxes. You will no longer pay passive investment taxes. Maybe you're in mutual funds. I have notes subject to real estate, creative financing, or seller financing. Third one, you will no longer pay dividend income taxes. So if you're in the stock market, you're a day trader, you're a commodities trader, you're an options trader, you're doing futures trading, you could be saving thousands of dollars. Fourth one, you'll no longer pay rental income taxes if you have short-term rentals like Airbnb or vacation rentals, 5 doors, 10 doors, 20 doors, multifamily, commercial property. Maybe you're doing arbitrage. Yes, you can take depreciation. Yes, you can do cost averaging, but I haven't told you the 4 other benefits, so hold on, I'll get to that. And finally, you will no longer pay royalty income taxes on any of your talents. Unfortunately, I'm not talented, so I don't have to worry about that. The other 3 taxes, there's the other 3 trusts. There's the nonprofit trust, the mineral trust if you have oil rights, shale rights, or coal rights. And then if you're over 65 years old, there's going to be this senior trust. I want to help as many U.S. business owners, U.S. entrepreneurs, and 1099 income earners save as much money as they can. You can't get more legal than this. It's been in front of the United States Supreme Court on 2 separate occasions, and both times the Spendthrift Trust has been okayed. I have a free class out there at the Great Discovery. It's my name, www.sallygimmon.com. And then I also invite you to set up a 30-minute tax breakthrough session with me, and the links will be in the video. Again, you don't have to have the trust, but this is not taught in schools. Why do the rich get away with things? We all should know this information. Thank you for watching. I didn't get to do my 5 videos today. It's been a very busy Friday, so I hope you all have a beautiful weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.